Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Albrecht Dodge Jeep Ram Chrysler in Westborough, Massachusetts, we have the 2023 Grand Cherokee Trailhawk 4xe. Bright white over global black, capri leather and suede seats, 2-liter turbo 4, so pretty similar powertrain to the Wrangler 4xe we just reviewed. Advanced Pro Tech Group 2, Luxury Tech Group 3, and dual pane panoramic sunroof, bringing this as tested to 72,630. Obviously, you have your charge port here. Trail rated badging, Trailhawk badging. So this is pretty cool. Willie Jeep logo throughout. In here is a Easter egg of a Jeep Wrangler rock crawling. Being the non-L, this is a 2-row, and I think I spot another Easter egg that I have to go check out because it looks awesome. And I think, where is it? There you are. In here, this one has the Alpine sound system, so here's a subwoofer. Look at that. You have every generation of Grand Cherokee. That is sweet. I hope you guys can see that. I'm gonna take a picture of that because that is freaking awesome. Oh, so used to other brands. It's always right here on Stellantis products. Bright blue badging because it's a 4xe. Couple different drive modes. You have e-save electric hybrid, that's purely for the 4xe. Modes, for main drive modes, you have rock, sand, mud, snow, auto, and sport. You have air suspension on this one, heated and cooled seats. Again, Alpine sound system, does sound really good. You do have a passenger screen, which is off, but you can enable that. I will never see it. You'd have to sit in this seat. Seats, very, very comfortable. I'm gonna go ahead, put it into reverse so you can check out the camera. So I'm gonna leave it in e-save to get out of here. And then we will go into hybrid mode. I want to charge the battery a little bit so I can have some peak electricity power. Obviously, I'm not going to fully charge this thing, but go over some speed bumps. Do have max regen enabled, which theoretically enables one pedal driving for the most part. Hybrid now that we're at 10%. I got it. I'm gonna go into e-save so I can continue to charge the battery while we're sitting here. So as of right now, we have 3 miles of electric range. Again, this kind of is what makes this thing fun, is to sit there, all right, how many miles of range can I get? Ooh, can I charge the battery a bit more under braking this time? It's all adding to the fun of it while also kind of saving the environment too, partially. Other than the fact that, you know, we need to mine a bunch of precious metals to create batteries and ship them all over the world. Anyway, I'm not going to get into that. This thing. The 4XE models, man, they are so torquey just because of that electric motor. The electric motor or the battery pack that powers the power. Oh my gosh. All right, I can't speak today apparently. Obviously, being the Trailhawk, tires are going to be a little bit noisier. I've expected that. But they're not terrible. I'm not sitting here dying because of the noise. Bars up there, that is for charge level, so you can monitor the charge. Right now we're cruising pretty much in full electric, at least we were until I said that. Now we're in full electric. It'll maintain 67 miles an hour in full electric mode. Obviously we're draining the battery completely. I will say too, these will not let you completely drain the battery. I mean, if you were to run out of gas and then rely on electricity to get you keep going, maybe. But they will, oh, I almost nailed that bird. They will always maintain a reserve of battery. So a peak charge really only increases range. It won't really increase performance to the point where it would matter for performance to fully charge the battery. overall, no, this thing's great. I love it a lot, especially with the new interior. That was what this needed. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.